Most small business owners waste $3,000 plus annually on the wrong accounting software. Here's how to avoid that mistake in the next 10 minutes. I'm going to show you 5 accounting solutions, tell you exactly who should avoid each one, compare them head-to-head on specific tasks, and give you my final verdict at the end. No fluff, just the truth about what actually works. Before we start, here's how I'm judging these tools. For non-negotiable criteria, pricing transparency, what you actually pay after the promotional period ends, not the bait price. Integration depth, can it connect to your other tools natively, or do you need expensive middleware? Ease of use for non-accountants, because most small business owners aren't CPAs. Scalability without price shock. Will you outgrow it in 6 months and face a massive bill? Keep these in mind. They separate good software from expensive mistakes. Tool number 1, Xero. Who it's for? Growing businesses 3 to 15 employees that need native integrations without middleware. If you use multiple tools daily, CRM, project management, e-commerce platforms, Xero talks to them directly. Over 21,000 bank connections globally. Clean, intuitive interface that doesn't assume you're an accountant. Who should avoid it? Solo freelancers billing under $50K annually. Also, avoid if you need constant hand-holding. Xero assumes basic bookkeeping literacy. If terms like account reconciliation confuse you, start somewhere simpler. Price creep is real, watch your invoice limit carefully. Real 2026 pricing. Right now, there's a 50% off promotion for 36 months. Starter, $14.50 per month. Normally $29. That's $522 over 36 months. Standard, $25 per month. Normally $50. That's $900 over 36 months. Premium, $37.50 per month. Normally $75. That's $1,350 over 36 months. After the promo, you're back to full price. Standard plan at $50 per month, $600 a year, is where most businesses land. Factor in 8 to 12% annual increases. Over 3 years post-promo, you're looking at $1,900 to $2,100. Add payroll or inventory modules. Push it to $800 or $900 annually. The trap, that $14.50 starter rate looks amazing, but you'll outgrow it in 3 to 6 months. Then you're on standard at $25 per month during promo, $50 per month after. Budget accordingly. Tool number 2, QuickBooks. Who it's for? Medium-sized to complex businesses. Retail with inventory management. Service businesses with job costing. Companies managing 100+ invoices monthly. QuickBooks handles complexity well. It's the industry standard accountants prefer, which matters at tax time. Who should avoid it? Micro businesses under 100K revenue. You don't need this firepower yet. Also avoid if you want straightforward automation. Recurring invoices and automatic billing? Locked behind the $99 per month plus plan. That's predatory pricing for new businesses who need exactly those features. Real 2026 pricing. Simple start, $35 per month. 50% off first 3 months. That's $420 a year. Essentials, $65 per month. That's $780 a year. Plus, $99 per month. That's $1,188 a year. This is where you need to be for recurring invoices. Advanced, $235 per month. That's $2,820 a year. Reality check to get recurring invoices, automatic payment capturing, and workflow automation. Basic features most businesses need. You're forced into plus at $1,188 annually. Add QuickBooks payroll, $45 per month plus $5 per employee, and you're at $2,000 plus a year easily. The gap between starting price and usable price is massive. The bait and switch, they advertise $35 per month, but 90% of businesses need plus at $99 per month within 60 days. That's a 283% price jump. Direct comparison, Xero versus QuickBooks. On integrations, Xero has native integrations, plug and play. QuickBooks forces you through Zapier or Make for most third-party apps. That's an extra $20 to $50 per month. If you're connecting 5+ tools, Xero wins on cost and complexity. QuickBooks wins only if you're deep in the Intuit ecosystem, TurboTax, MailChimp, QuickBooks Time. On banking, both connect to thousands of financial institutions. Xero, 21,000 plus connections. QuickBooks, similar coverage. Tie on this front. On price to value for small businesses, Xero Standard at $25 per month promo gives you more out-of-box than QuickBooks Essentials at $65 per month. But QuickBooks Plus at $99 per month beats Xero Premium at $37.50 per month for advanced features. The sweet spot? Xero Standard for most small businesses. QuickBooks Plus if you need deep inventory or job costing. Mid-video retention reset. Quick pause. The next tool is completely free. Yes, actually free, no trials, no credit card. But here's the catch. It makes money somewhere else, and that matters. If you've ever wondered how free software actually works and whether it's right for your business, keep watching. The answer might surprise you. Tool number 3, Wave. Who it's for? Micro businesses, freelancers, sole proprietors, and anyone just starting out. Truly free accounting, unlimited invoicing, expense tracking, receipt scanning, bank connections, and financial reporting. Zero monthly fees. Ever. Wave makes money on payment processing fees, 2.9% plus 60 cents per transaction, and optional payroll services. If you're bootstrapping and cash flow is tight, this is your entry point. Who should avoid it? Anyone needing live customer support. Wave's free plan has no phone support, just help articles and slow email responses. Also avoid if you need inventory management, time tracking, mileage tracking, or advanced automation. Those features don't exist here. Not suitable for teams over 5 people or businesses doing $200K plus in revenue. You'll outgrow it fast. Real 2026 pricing. Free plan, $0 per month forever. Pro plan, $16 per month or $170 a year. Payroll add-on, $40 per month plus per employee fees. Bookkeeping service, $149 per month. Payment processing fees where Wave makes money, 2.9% plus 60 cents per transaction for Visa, MasterCard, and Discover. 3.4% plus 60 cents per transaction for Amex. The hidden cost. If you process $10,000 per month in credit card payments, you're paying $290 to $340 per month in fees. That's more than Xero or QuickBooks. Wave is only free if you're paid via bank transfer, check, or cash. If your customers pay by card, factor in those processing fees. Over 3 years, software cost $0. But if you process $5,000 per month in cards, $145 per month in fees. That's $5,220 over 3 years. Compared to Xero at $1,800 over 3 years where you choose your own payment processor with better rates. Tool number 4, Zoho Books. Who it's for? Businesses already inside the Zoho ecosystem. If you use Zoho CRM, Zoho Inventory, Zoho Projects, this is a no-brainer. The data flow between apps is seamless, no duplicate entry. Also strong for international businesses outside the US. Zoho's global tax compliance is excellent. Who should avoid it? Anyone not using other Zoho products. The main advantage evaporates. Bank connections are weaker than Xero or QuickBooks. If you need tight US banking integration, look elsewhere. Also avoid if you hate learning curves. Zoho's interface can feel cluttered. Real 2026 pricing. Free $0. Under 50K revenue a year, 1,000 invoices max. Standard, $20 per month. $15 annually. That's $180 to $240 a year. Professional, $50 per month. $40 annually. That's $480 to $600 a year. Premium, $70 per month. $60 annually. That's $720 to $840 a year. Elite, $150 per month, $120 annually. That's $1,440 to $1,800 a year. Ultimate, $275 per month, $240 annually. That's $2,880 to $3,300 a year. Best value, Professional plan at $40 per month annually. For $180 a year, you get project tracking, purchase orders, user roles, and inventory management. That's cheaper than Xero standard $600 a year and half the price of QuickBooks Plus. $188 a year. The catch? Bank feeds aren't as robust. You'll do more manual reconciliation than with Xero or QuickBooks. Time versus money trade-off. Direct comparison. Wave versus Zoho on true cost. Wave Free versus Zoho Free. Both offer free plans for businesses under $50K revenue. Wave is truly unlimited. Zoho caps you at 1,000 invoices annually and 1 user. Winner. Wave for true unlimited usage. Wave Pro versus Zoho Standard. Wave Pro, $170 a year plus payment processing fees. Zoho Standard, $180 a year plus you choose your processor. If you process $3,000 plus per month in cards, Zoho becomes cheaper because you're not locked into Wave's 2.9% fees. If you're paid mostly by bank transfer, Wave wins. Tool number 5, FreshBooks. Who it's for? Service-based businesses, high-ticket freelancers, consultants, agencies, contractors. Built-in time tracking syncs with invoicing. Project management tools integrate with your accounting activity. If you bill hourly or by project milestones, FreshBooks shines. Clean interface, low learning curve. Who should avoid it? Product-based businesses, retail, commerce. FreshBooks doesn't handle inventory well. It's an afterthought. Also avoid if you have a large client list on a budget. The Lite plan caps you at 5 clients. That's absurd. You'll outgrow it in week 1. Real 2026 pricing. Lite, $21 per month. Promo $8.40. 5 clients max. That's $252 a year. Plus, $38 per month. Promo $15.20. 50 clients. That's $456 a year. Premium, $65 per month. Promo $19.50. Unlimited clients. That's $780 a year. After promo ends, Lite, $252 a year, but useless at 5 clients. Plus, $456 a year. Realistic minimum. Premium, $780 a year, where most service businesses land. Add-ons. Team members at $11 per month each. Advanced payments at $20 per month. Payroll at $40 per month plus $6 per employee. The client cap trap. They advertise $21 per month, but 5 clients? You'll hit that in month 1. Force you into plus at $38 per month. $456 a year. Still cheaper than QuickBooks Plus, but more than Zoho Professional. Direct comparison. FreshBooks versus Wave on service businesses. Time tracking. FreshBooks has built-in time tracking. Wave doesn't. If you bill hourly, FreshBooks wins. Project profitability. FreshBooks tracks project profitability natively. Wave can't. If you run multiple client projects, FreshBooks wins. Price, Wave free, but no time tracking. FreshBooks Plus, $456 a year with time tracking and project management. If you need time tracking, pay the $456. If you don't, Wave saves you $456 a year. Simple math. Side-by-side cost comparison. 3-year total. Over 3 years, Wave free costs $0 in every year for a total of $0, excluding processing fees. Zoho Professional totals $1,488, with $480 in years 1 and 2 and $528 in year 3. Xero Standard comes to $1,560, starting at $300 with a promo in year 1, then rising to $600 and $660. FreshBooks Plus adds up to $1,414, with $456 in the first 2 years and $502 in the third. While QuickBooks Plus is the most expensive at $3,683, with $1,188 in years 1 and 2 and $1,307 in year 3. Important: Waive $0 assumes you're paid via bank transfer or check. If you process $5,000 per month in cards at 2.9%, add $145 per month. $5,220 over 3 years in processing fees. Final verdict, my choice. If I had to choose one tool today, it depends on your revenue and how you get paid. Under $50K revenue, paid mostly by check or bank transfer. Go with Wave. Completely free. Clean interface. Perfect for freelancers billing clients directly. Save $1,400 to $3,600 over 3 years. Under $50K revenue, paid mostly by credit card. Zoho Professional at $480 a year. You avoid Wave's 2.9% processing fees and get better features. $50K to $250K revenue, Xero standard. The integrations pay for themselves. Bank feeds work flawlessly. Scales smoothly. At $25 per month promo or $50 per month full price, it's the sweet spot. $250K plus revenue or complex operations. QuickBooks Plus. You need the firepower. Accept the $1,188 a year cost. Your accountant will thank you. Already deep in Zoho? Zoho Professional. Stay in your ecosystem. The integration advantage is real. $480 a year is competitive. Service-based, high-ticket, 50-plus clients? FreshBooks Premium. Time tracking and project management justify the $780 a year. But watch those client caps on lower tiers. My personal pick for most small businesses? Xero Standard. It's the Goldilocks zone. Not too simple, not too complex, integrates beautifully, scales well. I'm biased toward integration depth over lowest cost. But if you're bootstrapping and paid via bank transfer, Wave gets you 90% there for free. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.
Generate by AI.